Hey guys, the Epic Derpster here, and today I'm going to be playing Dog 6 Saga. So it looks like in the beginning, or I started out right away with a race, so. Okay, good, nobody's exhausted or anything. Okay. Also guys, now that we're nearing, now that we're nearing the end of the series, I was wondering if you guys would be interested in watching me play a Jurassic World game. Cause I was thinking that might be one of the games I could play afterwards, cause I'm not sure, cause this game's not gonna have anything added onto it, I don't think, for a while at least, and it's almost to the end of the game. So I was just thinking if you guys would like that. If you do, then comment down below if I should do that or a different game. I'll definitely look at it and see if I can do that. I'll try. Oops. Yeah, I just thought that'd be cool if you guys could like choose my game or whatever, if I can get it. Oh my god, I'm doing so better now. Okay, get a wee bit of a treat. Okay, there's the guy in first place. It's kind of weird how everybody in the background only has huskies. It's kind of weird they don't have a variety like us. Okay, we're in third place so far. We're not doing the worst. At least. Still not good at throwing treats. Oh, oops. Sorry, Laura. Oh. No. Okay, there's a guy in second and first. Come on, guys, you can do it. You can do it, you can do it. There we go. Come on, guys, we're almost in first place. Oh, we gotta make it. Oh, but oops. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. No, staying it so close. Probably could have done better if I would have been able to pay attention more. Oops. Okay, rest up a little bit. Okay, everything's all good. Train up them. Oh no. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that because we could use those, and then we definitely need this food bag, so sorry. I really wish we could have had that though. So it's 4 dog. Timber in there. Then we went to train. There we go. Okay, 3,800. 4 dogs. Okay. Okay, looks like we're all good. Ooh, it's a nice, pretty one. Hopefully this time we get more boosts than faults. Usually things you're not doing too good with that. You guys get a lot of faults. Come on, you guys can do it. Especially you, Merrimack. Oh no, Sam. Oh, sorry. There you go. Oh, oops. Here you go, Sam. Okay, we're in 4th place. So we're doing pretty good, I think. We haven't had any faults. It's a big thing now. I hate having those. It's so bad. There we go. Come on, guys. We can get up there. We can do it. Oh, oops. Sorry, Timber. Okay, there's the guy in 1st place. I think we can do it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Yes! We got to 1st place. That'll help a lot with the kennel, so we can possibly get another dog. We need another real dog. We gotta get rid of Merrimack. I'm sorry, Merrimack. I'm sorry. Okay, great happiness, great happiness. Great, great. Okay, good. Seems like everybody's really happy. Rest up once. Get another 4 dog. Get all the rest. Okay, it's another 4 dog race. 3,400, not bad. Everyone looks ready to go. Okay. Oh, there's the dude. Now we gotta win this race to beat him. Yes. No, why Merrimack? Oh, Merrimack, no, why? See, this is why we need a new back dog. Or, like, a new dog back there, man. Oh, now I'm doing bad. Oh, no. Okay, come on, guys. You can do this still. Sorry, Timber. Okay, we're in 4th place. Oops, sorry guys. Oh no. Oh no, we're only in 3rd place. Oh, we did really bad. Oops. Still at 850 at least. Good, great, great, and great. Okay. Yesterday I was in a race with that jerk. He was pretty fast. I'm sure we'll get another chance to beat him. Hopefully we can get him in the next time. Okay, well guys, I think I'm going to leave the episode off here. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment down below if we should find a different game. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye guys.